Bingo po, okay na.
Tita, okay. What's the question?
Good morning, sir. Sir, how do you come up with the business?
Well, actually, best friend ko ang may-ari nito. Inisip nila kasi they are residing in California. Ngayon, inisip nila na magandang business is a resort. That's why, in-acquire nila itong property.
How many years are you in the business?
I've been here for 6 years already, managing the resort.
And sir, do you have any plans to make this resort grow bigger in terms of adding establishments in some other places?
Well, actually, walang iniisip ang may-ari kundi magdagdag na lang ng building and then put up a swimming pool, put up mga stores, mga ano, gagawin niyang isang napakagandang resort ito na look like a hotel.
What characteristics do you think your resort have that others did not?
Ang mga kwarto ko rito is different from others. Like for instance, yung other resort, maliliit lang ang mga kwarto nila. Ang mga kwarto ko malalaki. Actually, yung single room ko, nakakapaglaman ng 6 na tao kapag ginusto. At tapos, 2 double beds ang inilalagay ko. Well, in terms ng may papasok na family, na-occupy nila, double rooms na lang.
Janet Ballelos Resort, who named this resort and why?
Ito yung anak ng may-ari mismo. The only daughter. Doon niya ipinangalan at mahal na mahal niya yun.
Sir, do you have any family members or relatives who had the same business or who influenced you to start up a business like this?
Yeah, wala. Actually, nung i-manage ko ito, it was just an experimental pero nag-click naman. Well, in just 3 years, kahit pa paano nakapagpatayo ako ng another building 10 rooms.
Aside from being an hotelier, what other things do you like to do?
Ayun, may mga racket ako minsan dito. Yung mga speech and drama sa mga schools. Tapos, nagtuturo din ako ng mga dances, na mga ganyan. Well, minsan naman, lumuluwas din ako ng Maynila to come up with other business na pwedeng pagkakitaan, lalo na ngayong tag-ulan. Tag-ulan, hindi busy ang resort. Pagka talagang June lang, pumasok ang February, that's the time that you have to speak on the place. Wala na. Dito lang talaga.
If you're not an hotelier, what would you want to be and why?
Well, before, hindi naman ito actually ang trabaho ko. I'm a college graduate na BSc, Bachelor of Science in Commerce, major in accounting. Then I worked in an import-export Copra, fishing company. And my last job was a production designer sa movie for 20 years. Then I directed also 9 films in 1 year, and then after that I retired because of my sickness, yung diabetes ko. That's why I'd rather want to manage the business na lang na ganito.
Thank you very much.
Yun lang ba? Okay, thank you so much also.
Thank you po.
Okay.
Thank you po.
Yun lang ba?
Okay.